I'm Katie Pasquini Masopust, going to show you my new line of fabric for Free Spirit. It's called Heat Wave. My previous line was called Cool Breeze, and it was done with all the cool colors, blues and greens and violets. This Heat Wave is going to heat everything up and is done with the warm colors from the color wheel, so reds, yellows, and oranges. It was a lot of fun to design. It was a lot of fun to use in some sample quilts. Here's the color card, and now I'm going to show you actual fabrics. I buy by value and color. As you can see, I'm sitting in front of my storage, my stash, my palette of fabrics, how they're stored in my studio. And so I like to have the lightest values through to the darkest values in each color. Lights add illumination and dark add depth. So I like to design some light fabrics. So very pale that will add a light side to whatever colors I'm choosing to use. Some of these are done with stamps. Some of them I've just scribbled on. This one's done with just stamping with circles onto watercolor paper that then was transferred to fabric. That one's a lot of fun. It works good as a neutral, if you want to call it a neutral, or a background to put some of these darker values on. So here's the medium range. There's a nice stripe, can be used for borders, lattice, some squares, which are really fun. Again, just doodling with circles and dots. And this little tiled piece is kind of fun to also use as a background. You can mix beautiful solids from Free Spirit that goes with these. And then I like the darker values. So they add depth. So I play with those, again, scribbling, dots, grids, always can use a good grid. And then because I like to use a lot of black and whites in my quilts, I designed a few of those especially for me to use. Because if I want to use them, I'm hoping a lot of other people will want to use them. So gray, very light gray, black and white dots. This is always fun. You can cut them in strips. You can cut them in squares of 10, 20 dots to make a beautiful square of dots. Little vibration sets up. A nice small print that also reads as a neutral or a background. And then again, just playing with circular stamps. A very nice overall pattern. So I hope that this sparks your interest and that you will get some of this in your shop and show your students and customers how to use it and enjoy. So have a good 2023 and happy quilting. Bye.